Okay, so before we proceed our lesson, anyway, my name is Marilyn Tundag. I'm your instructor in information technology. So I would like to welcome the information and communication technology, as well as we give an overview of what you unexpected from this subject. So in basic computers and their functions, you will learn ICT. So additionally, you will be given opportunity to basic computers. Here we utilizing this lesson and using PowerPoint presentation to help you learn. So I'm looking forward with you to this semester. So our lesson for today is about the basic computers and their function. It is very popular technology, right? So this is usually we use our daily life.
So class, we have a short video about the basic parts of computer and their functions.
Technology and their functions. So for you, what do you think the basic part of computer? Yes, President Total?
When we say basic parts of computer, there are different parts of computer like motherboard is a paramount computer component, as this the central part where everything else connected.
Okay, Miss Total, you may sit down. Parts of computer. So these are the different types of computer. So the monitor, the printer, the speaker, the CPU, the speakers, the keyboard, the mouse is the basics of computer. So let's proceed. So continue. So what is system unit? So the system unit is the core of computer system. Usually it's in corner box placed on or underneath your desk. Inside this box are many electronics components that process the information. The most important of these components is the central processing unit or the CPU. So which acts as the brain of your computer. So another information is stored in RAM is erased when the computer is turned on. So these are the examples of the system unit. So continue. So the storage. So the storage, your computer has one or less drives device that store information or metal or plastic disk. The disk preserve the information even the computer is turned on. Okay. These are the example of the storage. So the storage, for example, the hard disk drive. So the hard disk drive, your computer hard disk drive stores information on the disk. A rigid platters with a magnet surface. Because the hard disk can hold massive amount of information, it usually serve your computer as a primary means of storage. Almost all of the programs and files at the hard disk drive normally located inside a system unit. Diba makita ito na sa system unit, ang hard disk drive. Mauna siya ang, kumbaga, ang ikaduha mo ba ng central processing unit, makita sa central. So ang STD, mauna siya ang datong pag-save atong mga files like makasave ka, diba? Magkita ka ng mga background like your project, diba? Makasave na siya sa HDD. So let's proceed. That is the example of HDD. So the number one is the CD or the DVD drive. So nearly all computers today come equipped with a CD or DVD drive, usually located on the front of your system unit. Makita mo ito na siya kaya mag-turn on ka sa ato na system unit, direct na siya sa front lagi sa tutupang dito sa system unit, diba mag-turn on ta? Makita mo na siya yung nila. O sa usually mount na ginagamit mo, ito na sa atong mga movie or sa mga report, malantaw na ni mo dila. Pag ma-open mo na daw, mura na siya kalabang flash drive. No, usually di ba? So you can store copies or recordable disk drive na. Yes, manapa mag-record ta. Pwede na to siya i-mutang, i-insert. Mura sa DVD. Pwede na mag-video ta sa ito nga. One. Project. So you can also use the CD drive to play music. Like I said, we can use the CD. Mostly popular naman ginakain CD, no? So let's proceed. So these are the CD or DVD drive. So proceed. So the storage, the floppy disk drive. Store information on floppy disk drive is called a floppies or diskettes. So compared to the CD and the DVD floppy disk can store only the small amount of data. So these are the example of the floppy disk drive. Mura na siya extension pa. Mura na siya ginawa DVD drive. Extension na siya. Popular naman na kayo. Mouse! Popular naman sa kayo. Makita mo ito na din. Magamit ito ng computer. Makita mo ito din yung mouse. Ayaw mag-ito na ang mouse. Pareho na po sa kuhan. These are the mouse. Not hindi siya nga ng mouse ha. Kasi pagbuhan mo. Okay, let's proceed. So keyboard. So what is keyboard? The keyboard is used mainly for typing text into your computer. Like the keyboard, you like typing, it has key for the letters, for numbers, and it also has this visual case. So the function case, the top row for different functions depending on where are used. So the number numeric keypad located on the right side of most keyboards allow you to enter numbers quickly. So navigate such as the narrow case, allow you to move your possession, which is documents web page. Diba? Kung i-scroll up, i-drag na ito si patubang, i-scroll up, then ako na pa kung basta mauna si class. I-scroll up, scroll down, or i-click na, right-click, mauna siya class. So these are the example of the keyboard. So the monitor, makita mo ito na tayo kung magkuanta nyo, di ba? Matubang, monitor na tayo, ating keyboard, mouse. So what is keyboard, what is monitor? So a monitor is display information and visual using text and graphics. And the portion of the monitor is the television screen. A computer screen can show screen like television screen. A computer screen can show itself moving the pictures. So let's proceed. So these are the two basic of monitors. The CRT. So what is CRT? President? Oh, very good. So the color is monitors that never LCD, liquid crystal display monitors. Both type of produce chart image, but LCD monitors have the advantage of being much thinner and lighter. Okay, so these are the example of the monitor. So the speaker. When we see speaker, mabati nga pag ito na tayo pag nasa baylihan, may speaker na siya, pagkauman, pagkuwata niyo, pag-play sa TV, may speaker na sad. Diba? So, what is a speaker? So, the speaker are used to play sound. They can be built into the system, unique or connected with keyboards. Speakers allow you to listen music and hear sounds from your computer. So, you may insert sa likod sa steam unit or sa tukang sa USB port. So, you can play your speaker. So, these are the example of the speaker. So, what is modem? Everyone, modem. So, what is modem? Okay sila? Here is the UTP cable. Ginagamitan to RG45. Diba kaya naman po cabling, wala pa. So let's demonstrate later on the cabling. So this white mounted is connected for the CCTV. Okay. So our next topic is the computer system. So the computer system is defined and arranged of all possible hardware and software installed in the computer, which will assist in carrying out tasks efficiently. So the computer system. Computer system. What is computer system? The computer, the hardware plus software is the computer system. What is computer system? Alright? Right, class? Okay. So, there are the components of the computer system. The processor or CPU or central processing unit. The computer unit, the ALO. So, these are the primary storage and memory. So, the input devices. When we receive input devices, mao sa kapasitor sa ito ang main controls and coordinates of the data information which comes into your body. So mauna siya central processing unit ang ga-operate. Kaya kung wala na central processing unit, dili na siya mag-turn on. Okay, proceed. So the main function of the central processing unit. So the pinching data instructions from memory. Coordinate and performing instruction received. Setting the results of execution memory. The arithmetic logic unit, so or ALU. These are the trained units to perform arithmetic calculation and logic operation on being processed. So control units or CU, the main function of control unit is to decode or execute all the instructions given the computers. So however, other functions includes the processing input information, the control the outputs out of destination. So let's proceed. So the CPU clock regulates the speed of processor and it synchronizes all parts of your safety. The speed of the processor is measured megahertz, which means million of cycles per second. Fourth, the registers. Registers are high-speed storage areas in the temporary hold of data instruction. So this is the buses. The electrical paths or channel along where habits transfer. So the information is transmitted in the growth of bits or bytes. So bus width can be 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128 bits. So, and each bit must be moved 8 bits of data at a time. Bus width is amount of data of the CPU can transmit at any time. So the speed of the bus affects the transfer of the bits. Faster bus means faster transfer of the information to and the CPU. So let's proceed. The basic function. So the main function of computers. So the input, like in order for the computers to functions and data and instruction to have input into the suitable form. So this is done via input devices. Like for example, the input device are keyboard, the mouse, the microphone. It's involved receiving information from environments of storage devices through and input devices. So the output devices. So representation of data of the environment from main memory of computer and media external to the CPU. Let's proceed. So the processing, manipulate of data in variety of ways applying rules of arithmetic and logic. These are commonly responsible for converting data and is responsible for converting data instructions into useful information. So the storing, the recording of data is relatively permanently stored for the CD other storage device for access later on. See? So any question, class? So class, do you understand our lesson for today? So, okay, let's
class. I'll see you tomorrow. I will answer your assignment tomorrow. So dismiss.